Okay, we're going to learn how to write equations of circles and graph circles given an equation. So let's assume that you have a circle with center at the origin, and let's say that its diagonals are 6 units, which means its radius is 3 units. And 3 and so here's your circle. So if you take any point, and let's call this point xy on this circle, and we connect the origin to that point, then the equation of the circle is where r is the radius, and in this case the radius is 3. So if we take any point at all on this circle, it will satisfy this equation. Now what if the center of the circle is not 0, 0? So this was the center of the circle here, 0, 0. But what if it isn't? So let's draw another circle, and this time we'll say it has center H, K, and it has radius R. The coordinates of this point are x, y again. If you remember your distance formula, then we can calculate the distance r this way. Just a reminder, the distance formula that you remember is d squared equals x1 minus x2 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared. And the radius is the radius of this circle. The center of this circle is HK. Okay, this is if you're given the center of the circle and you're given the radius, then you come up with the equation of the circle. What if you were given this equation? You are given this equation, so let's say x minus 4 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 11. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write my standard equation. This is called the standard equation, where h and k are the coordinates of the center of the circle. So if I match it up, I get h equals 4, and let's make this a plus, and k is equal to -3, and r squared equals 11, which means r is square root of 11, and since this is a radius, it has to be a positive number, so r is root 11. So we would say that this is the equation of a circle center for -3 and radius √11. Okay. And that is it for finding the equation of a circle given the center and the radius, or given an equation then you go backwards. You find the center and the radius. Just a reminder as we approach the end, if you have an equation like this, you can think of it as x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals 22. And so this is the equation of a circle with center 0, 0 and radius √22.